what's up and welcome to my channel. Today I'm here at the Palms Hotel in Las Vegas, Nevada, and we're staying at the Executive Suite in the Fantasy Tower. I'm very excited for this stay because we recently stayed in the same Fantasy Tower, but in a different room called the Fantasy Grand Suite. Now that room was awesome and super clean and modern, but I can't wait to check out the suite. Now this suite is 620 square feet, and so far it looks super great. And the suite also has a great bathroom. Alright guys, so we have a wireless charging area right here, and it's right on top of the clock, and it's pretty cool because you can then just take your phone right here and you can just put it right on top like that and it'll start to charge. Okay, so right here we have the do not disturb and the housekeeping buttons. Both of them are very helpful. And right here we have a light button as well as a light off button. Alright guys, so right here in the shower, you can see that that is not a spider, that's not two spiders, that's hair. Like little clumps of hair sticking onto the wall.
I'm not eating anymore, I already starved.
It's just sticking onto the wall, guys. So we came in here, we just turned on the water, and then we saw that sticking to the wall. So we are luckily going to be able to change our room, so we will not have to deal with that, hopefully. Unfortunately, my mic wasn't on during this part of the video, but basically we have moved, it's cleaner, and now it's morning, so we're going to go have breakfast at the Bellagio. Alright, now let's head down. Alright guys, so as you saw, we had breakfast at the Bellagio and we checked out the conservatory as well, which was very cool. And then we came back here, we went to the pool for a little bit, and as you saw, they have a live DJ. The pool was super clean and it was really cool there, so it was a nice refreshing break from being inside. And then afterwards we came back and had lunch at Said Noodles down in the lobby, and their lobster fried rice was delicious. And afterwards, we just basically came back. We tried checking out the spa. Unfortunately, they were closed when we got there, so we did go to the movie theater. And when we went to the movie theater, it's really cool that this hotel has their very own movie theater. It's called the Brendan Theaters, and they're basically playing all the latest movies that they have. Other than that, we also had dinner at the AYCE all-you-can-eat buffet, which was delicious. They had all-you-can-eat lobster tonight. I think it's Wednesdays, so that was delicious, of course. And yeah, overall, if this is a yay or a nay, I'd have to say it's an okay, because there was that one hair, those two strands of hair. It's not even strands, it's like little clumps of hair sticking to the bathroom wall, the shower wall, which was just disgusting. And then I would expect like the shower to be like kind of clean, you know, like the walls would at least be clean. And then we came up to our second room, and then there was like an M&M on the floor. Um, that's not something that I would expect because I would figure that they would vacuum it. I'm not sure if they just missed it, but yeah. So I'd say that this is an okay because overall the rooms aren't bad. The pool is pretty nice, and yeah, they have all these perks downstairs. So yeah. And that does it for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for any new notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Oh God, no. Guys, remember my wife. Oh, my back. Oh, it hurts. Like two things stuck there, and it looks like it's sticking out, like somebody's hair. That is nasty. Guess somebody shaved the thunder down under.